Woodworkers, stop scrolling. These are the coolest Amazon tools you've probably never seen before. From smart jigs to genius problem solvers, this lineup has the kind of gadgets that instantly level up your workshop. This is Value Bite. Hit subscribe, and let's jump into the 14 coolest woodworking tools you can't miss. Ever wish your track saw could cut perfect angles like a miter saw? This gadget does exactly that. The Dowel Maker adjustable track saws square locks into 11 precise angles from -60 degrees to 60 degrees. No marking, no guessing, just set, tighten, and cut. It's built from solid aluminum, works with brands like Makita, Feisal, Milwaukee, Wen, and gives you dead accurate cuts in seconds. Fast, foolproof, and built to last. This is the upgrade every woodworker dreams of. Ever built a shelf and messed up the pinholes? This tool fixes that. The Miles Craft Shelf Jig gives you perfectly straight, evenly spaced holes every single time. With its clear body, you see exactly where you're drilling. No mistakes. It's got 32mm hardened bushings, indexing pins for unlimited rows, and a built-in depth stop so every hole is spot on. Whether you're building cabinets or custom shelving, this jig makes it fast, foolproof, and professional grade. Installing cabinet handles usually means hours of measuring, mistakes, and redos. But this tool makes it effortless. The AUXter cabinet hardware jig gives you perfect hole placement in seconds. No guesswork, no wasted time. With its aluminum build and accurate scale, every knob and pull lines up flawlessly. It even comes with cabinet shims for recessed fronts, making it rock solid while you drill. Fold it, store it, carry it anywhere. It's the fastest, most precise way to upgrade your cabinets. Forget weak joints. This tool makes furniture rock solid. The Dowel Jointer cuts perfect mortise and tenon joints with a tilt fence from 0 degrees to 90 degrees and depth up to 38mm. Its rack and pinion system locks in thickness with precision, while the 17,000 RPM motor powers through hardwood like butter. A clear viewing screen keeps cuts accurate, and the dust port keeps your space clean, fast, strong, and foolproof. This joiner turns DIY builds into pro-quality work. Ever needed a perfect wooden dowel, but didn't have the right size? This gadget solves it. The adjustable drill milling dowel maker attaches to your drill and instantly shapes wood into perfect round rods. With 8 different diameters from 8mm to 20mm, you just rotate to the size you need. Tighten and cut. The carbide blade is razor sharp, giving you smooth, accurate dowels every time. Lightweight, durable, and insanely practical. This tool turns scrap wood into custom dowels in seconds. This mini-circular saw rips through wood at 3,500 RPM with its 4-amp motor. The laser guide keeps your cuts straight. The rip guide locks in precision, and with a depth of almost 2 inches, it handles serious jobs. At just 5.5 pounds, it's compact, portable, and safe. And with a cutting depth of 1 to 11/16 of an inch at 90 degrees and 1 18/16 of an inch at 45 degrees, it delivers precision every time. Ever tried holding wood steady and it just keeps slipping? This 11-inch heavy-duty face clamp locks it down with a 3.5-inch opening and a high-density spring that won't quit. The swivel jaw pads adjust to any angle, so your cuts stay clean and accurate. Plus, the ergonomic grip makes it easy on your hands, and with a quick release lever, you're done in seconds. Strong, fast, reliable, this clamp is every woodworker's secret weapon. Installing drawers is usually a nightmare. Crooked slides, endless measuring. But this gadget changes everything. The Miles Craft Drawer Jig locks onto your cabinet with built-in fences and tabs for perfect alignment. The large clamp area holds it steady, and the built-in level makes sure everything is straight. Once slides are in, just flip the jig. It literally holds the drawer for you while you mount it. Fast, accurate, and stress-free. Woodworkers call it the extra set of hands you didn't know you needed. Painting doesn't have to be messy or slow. The Von 700-watt paint sprayer gives you 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns. Perfect for furniture, walls, doors, anything. Blow away dust before you spray. Then clean it in seconds with the built-in rinse connector. Adjust the flow for zero waste and flawless coverage. Lightweight, beginner-friendly, and powerful. This sprayer makes every DIY paint job fast, smooth, and professional-looking. Tired of fighting door hinge pins? The Milescraft pin. Doctor makes it simple. Just place the clear tool under the hinge pin, give it a light tap with a hammer, and the pin slides right out. No scratches. Flip it over. Set the pin on the flat surface, tap again, and it's reinstalled in seconds. Quick, clean, and effortless. The Wen Jig Saw packs a 6.6 amp variable speed motor with up to 3,300 strokes per minute for smooth, powerful cuts. Switch between 4 orbital settings for straight or aggressive curves, and bevel up to 45 degrees in either direction. A built-in laser and LED keep your line visible, while the dust blower and port clear your view. Precise, versatile, and pro-grade. This isn't just a jigsaw. It's your all-in-one cutting machine. Most sawhorses are flimsy, but this beast is different. The tough-built C550 is made from 100% high-grade steel and holds up to 1,100 pounds solo, 2,200 per pair. Snap on a few 2x4s and plywood, and it transforms into a rock-solid job site table. The folding legs lock instantly. The feet stay steady on any surface, and it's still light enough to carry with one hand. Ever tried grinding metal and your bit burns out in minutes? This set fixes that. The tungsten Carbide Burr kit gives you 10 pro-grade bits that last up to 8 times longer than HSS tools. Perfect for deburring, grinding, carving, shaping, even jewelry work. These double-cut burrs give you smoother finishes and total control. With a 1/4 inch shank, they fit almost any die grinder. Most drills struggle under pressure, but not this one. The 20-volt cordless drill packs 336 inch-pounds of torque with 18+1 clutch settings, so you never strip a screw. Its 2.00 ampere battery lasts 33% longer, driving up to 800 screws on a single charge. Switch between 2 speeds for wood, metal, or walls, and the LED light plus flexible shaft make tight, dark spaces easy. Weighing just 2.8 pounds, it's powerful, compact, and built for pros and DIYers alike. The drill that never quits. If you want more smart woodworking tools that actually make your builds cleaner, faster, and way easier, I've already made a full breakdown of my favorite picks. You'll see it right here on the screen. Tap that video, and I'll show you the tools you should be using next.